Hi guys, mega love shoutout. Ayan guys, nagluto tayo ng Chinese. Ito guys, easy lang. Mag-ano lang tayo ng bawang sibuyas at isutin natin together. Isama natin na yung beans, long beans, broccoli, and cauliflower, and capsicum, and mushroom. Ito guys, napakayami nito. Tapos lagyan na rin natin ng cabbage. At the end guys, at i-toppings natin yung naluto nating shrimp in the top. Ayan na guys. So delicious. Look delicious. Yummy-licious. The prawn. Ayan guys. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Ayan. Ayan, sarap-sarap. Ano yun guys. Pasensya na kayo at hirap na hirap yung pag-vlog. Ayan guys, katapos na yan guys, at the end, luto na siyempre yung ano natin, Chinese vegetable. Look. So yummy delicious guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang content kong ito. Ay ukol sa pagluluto. About kitchen life. Ayan guys, ihalo natin yung sauce na pangpalasa. At spread natin in the top of rice. There we make the rice with the vegetable. Ayan guys, haluin natin. At siguradong sarap ang lasa nito. Ayan, saute lang natin guys. Keep 3 minutes to cook very well. This is our lunch for today. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. You hit the button and you can get notification every day. I will vlog about the food, about cooking in the kitchen. Alright guys, thank you so much. God bless. Bye bye. Ayan, so delicious. Prawn with vegetable. This is a kind of Chinese food recipe. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching.